That's the idea, right? But you always need to be also prepared for like what are some of the scenarios that can go against you. And that case, in this case here, will be something like that. Okay, which means you need to prepare to hold all the way until down here. Okay. So the whole fundamental confidence in in the Hong Kong market needs to be there. Okay. Because if this were to come down, it's definitely going to test your confidence. It's going to test your thesis, your understanding of the reason why you got involved in it. Okay. If today, you just get involved in the trade because, Kar Yong get involved in it, that's not a very strong thesis, right? I can tell you that. Okay. Because you're literally just following what I do. Okay. That's not the intention of this whole mastermind group. Yeah. Okay. Don't take it as a signal group. But the idea where I want to bring you is when I share with you an idea, okay, is really to give you an kind of like an idea, right? Or I would say an insight where hopefully that insight would kind of like inspire you to do a little bit more understanding of that particular instrument or the particular market. Okay, and even go into deeper research and maybe find, I would say like another perspective where you might not agree with me. Okay, that will be even better, right? I think that's the idea of what we meant by independent trader. Okay, you need to have your independent thought process. Now, we do not need to agree with everyone. You do not need to agree with everything I say. Okay, but there's no hard feelings, right? Because from a trader's and investor's perspective, we understand that. Okay, and we accepted that there's no one right answer in the market. Okay, and it's all about perspective. Okay, so why I want to share with you this, because I want you to really understand, especially if you're looking at longer term. Okay, because short term you have a stops, you're out, right? That's it. We look at the next trade. But if you're holding on to a longer term play, like some of the investment ideas like TSM, Intel, these two equities, when we're looking at ETF, they are all long term plays, right? You need to have that confidence in your investment, in your trade. And that confidence cannot only depend on because Kar Yong took it. Okay? That's not going to hold. Your confidence needs to come from within you, where you understand, okay, this is something that I strongly believe in. Okay. Of course, it's not just about believing in it, but you need to have some facts. Okay. So hope that helps, right? So that's something I want you guys to be very, very aware of.